In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate image by 90 right in Excel. If you've pasted a photo or logo into a worksheet and it's sideways, this quick move will spin it exactly 90 degrees clockwise and line it up the way you expect. Start by selecting the picture itself. Move your cursor over the image and click once so you see small handles around the edges. That's how you know the picture, not the cell behind it, is active. When the image is selected, Excel shows a special picture format tab on Windows, or graphics format on Mac and the web. If you don't see that tab appear, try clicking the image again. It needs to be selected for the rotation tools to show up. With the picture selected, go to the Rotate command. You'll find Rotate in the Arrange group on that Picture or Graphics Format tab. It may appear as an icon with a curved arrow. Opening it reveals a short menu of rotation and flip options. You don't need to enter any angles or drag anything manually. We're going to use the built-in 90-degree option. This process works the same way whether your picture came from Insert Picture, a screenshot, or a paste from another app. Depending on your Excel version, the button label may simply show a curved arrow. Expanding the ribbon can make it easier to find. Choose Rotate Right 90 degrees. The moment you click it, Excel turns the image clockwise by exactly a quarter turn. Check the picture's orientation on your sheet to confirm it's now upright. If the result points the wrong way, you can click Rotate Right 90 degrees again to keep turning in 90-degree increments until it's correct, or use Rotate Left 90 degrees if you overshoot. And remember, if you change your mind, Undo brings you back instantly. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If the Rotate menu is grayed out, it almost always means the picture isn't actually selected. Click the image so the handles reappear. Rotation doesn't change the image's size in pixels, but because it turns the picture, it may overlap nearby cells differently. After rotating, drag the image to reposition it where you want. For precise placement, nudge with the arrow keys, or hold Shift while dragging to keep movement straight. Also, note that flipping is different from rotating. Flip mirrors the image, while Rotate Right turns it clockwise. That's it. The fastest way to rotate an image 90 degrees to the right in Excel. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step.